Hi, everyone! Today, we're sharing a video showing how to install Dazuma's minimalist waterproof LED outdoor lighting. First, remove the product's most proof packaging. The product includes 2 bags of screw accessory kits. Each bag contains screws and screw caps, 1 instruction manual, 1 minimalist waterproof LED outdoor light. First, remove the 4 mounting screws located on both sides of the product's base and set them aside safely. Next, remove the 2 metal mounting plates from the bottom of the product. Place the main body of the product where you intend to install it. Mark the positions of the mounting screw holes on one side, and then drill the holes. Insert the 2 screws from the screw kit into the 2 holes, one after the other. Slide the 2 product mounting plates onto the 2 screw sleeves, one at a time, and secure them using the mounting screws from the screw kit. Connect the push and quick connect terminals you have provided to your power supply cable. Connect the power cord at the bottom of the product to the push-on quick connect terminals you have provided. Reinstall the 4 mounting screws on both sides of the bottom of the product that you removed earlier. Product installation. Dazuma, your best lighting butler.